In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add background music to your Squarespace website in just 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to create a more engaging experience for visitors or simply want to add a personal touch, incorporating music into your site can be an effective way to enhance its atmosphere. So let's dive right in and explore the straightforward steps you need to follow. First, you'll want to get started by heading over to Squarespace's main page and clicking on the login button. If you're already a Squarespace user, this is the quickest way to access your site. For ease of use, you can choose to continue with Google, which seamlessly connects your Google account to Squarespace, relieving you from any password troubles. After logging in, find your website by clicking on its name in your dashboard. This will direct you to your main site's editor, where we'll make the changes. Next, you need to go to the edit mode of your site. This is where all the magic happens. Here, you're in full control, able to modify your existing content and add new features. Once in edit mode, you'll move on to adding a block. This is essentially a component that can be text, an image, or in our case, a code block which will house our background music script. After selecting add block, look for the code option. The reason we're using a code block is because the music feature is not built directly into Squarespace, so we'll embed an external code from a site like Elfsite. Choose the code block from the options presented to you, then click on the pencil icon. This will open up an area where you can input your custom code. Now it's time to incorporate your music. You do this by typing your custom code into the code block. Services like Elfsite provide user-friendly ways to generate this custom code. You'll need to copy the code generated by Elfsite and paste it into the block in Squarespace. This piece of code is pulling in the audio feature, ensuring your visitors can hear your chosen background music when they visit your site. Once the code is entered, you'll want to preview your changes to make sure everything looks and sounds perfect. Click on Preview in Safe Mode. This mode helps you test your changes in a secure way to ensure they're working smoothly without affecting your live site. Finally, after ensuring everything is in place and functioning as you want it to, don't forget to hit the Save button. It's crucial that you save your changes or else your efforts will not take effect on the live site. And there you have it. In just a few easy steps, you've added background music to your Squarespace site, enhancing its ambience and improving the visitor experience. Remember to revisit and adjust your settings as needed, and always keep your audience in mind when selecting your audio. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.